This is the assembly video to the Hewitt Lifties Helper Wheel Kit. The Lifties Wheel Kit is designed to simplify the installation and removal of your boat lift. Depending on the size of your lift, 2 Lifties wheel kits may be required. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. This kit comes standard with a 27-inch wheel, or it can be exchanged for a 16-inch wheel. Secure the lifties to the lift using the backer plate. Repeat this process on the bottom crossbar. Center the lifties on the crossbar, and then go ahead and tighten down all 8 nuts and bolts. Slide the brake wedge onto the axle, making sure that the wedge is towards the upright. Both sizes of wheels have an inside and an outside hub. When placed correctly, there will be room to place the washer and the cotter pin. When placing the cotter pin, bend the end of the cotter pin with either a channel locks or pliers. After your wheel has been permanently mounted, you'll need to remove your locking bolt. In the retracted position, the brake wedge will prevent the wheel from spinning. The Lifties wheel kit can be easily raised and lowered using a cordless drill. The purpose of the lock is to keep the wheel from spinning under the water while not in use. This prevents wear and tear on the wheel. With the lift now set in place, it's important to reinstall the locking bolt. This completes the assembly of the Lifties wheel kit.